Hey everyone, so today's video will be showing you how to clean your old silver. And if your silver's like this and it's a little dirty and old, well, what you need is toothpaste. And we prefer that you use non-fluoride toothpaste because fluoride can actually affect the silver. So go ahead and squeeze out a little bit of toothpaste, like so. And then we're about to start preparing to scrub. We're gonna put the silver in water and then we're gonna scrub. It would basically be like brushing your teeth and just keep repeating the process. And just go ahead and keep going back and forth, scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. Let me fast forward for you so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Anyhow, you'll see that the toothpaste is now no longer clean and white and it's a little bit dirty as well. You can see the stain is removed from the silver, cleaner and cleaner. Go ahead and repeat this process until you find it satisfactory. If it's not as shiny as you would like it to be, well, all you have to do is just repeat the whole process again. Get toothpaste, rinse it in water, and then start scrubbing again. And then you'll notice that it's just going to get brighter and brighter and more new and more new. After you put it in the water, just use your fingers and kind of rub it a little bit. Then you're ready to dry it. We're using a little paper towel. And after you dry it, you'll notice it's just like new. So I hope this video helps, guys. If it helped, please like or comment below. I really appreciate it and it helps. And this is how you make your silver like new again. Have a great day, guys. Thanks.